Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After our successful pairing of our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch with our Android smartphone, this time we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, and we'll also download additional watch faces from the support app iPulse. So we have here the app. We're going to explore the available watch faces for our smartwatch. Okay, so we will check it and see if we can download a sample watch face for our Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces as well as the preloaded watch faces, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and explore first the preloaded watch faces. Okay, so this is rotary. We can use this to navigate on the preloaded watch faces. So let's count. We have 1. So this is the default. 2. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. We have at least 5 watch faces. And talking about the screen display, let's see if there are some settings. Okay, can we edit? No. Then let's see. Again, settings. Display. We have the brightness here. Screen off time, let's increase it to 20. Cover to sleep. And that's it. It's the only settings for the screen. Okay, for additional watch faces, we have here the support app, the iPulse. Let's open it. Then we have here the dial center. Tap on more. And as you can see, we have a section for AI watch face. We are going to have a separate video for this. We have image and video watch face, as well as the mine section. So here are the categories for watch faces. We have default watch faces. So these are the preloaded watch faces. We have personalized wallpapers, sports. We have art fonts. Okay, so we do have some good collections here. We have digital clocks. We have pointers, the analog version. We have functional modules. I'm interested in this one. I think it is. When you tap on the modules here, it will serve as a shortcut on the functions. Classic series. Nice. I like the design. And we have interesting. Okay. So let's have the sample downloads. I think the collection of watch faces is just okay. It's not that comprehensive, but I think it will do. Okay, it's good. Plus, we do have an AI watch face and image and video watch face. If you are not contented with the available watch faces here. Okay, let's go with the functional modules. Let's see if what I'm thinking is correct. Okay, let's have this one. Then download. Downloaded. Set as a current dial. Let's see how many watch faces can we download. Okay, it's now loading. Okay, so very fast download and installation. Okay, so we have here the location Let's see. No, it's not. Okay, this one is okay. Activity, and this one is for the blood oxygen. Yes, it is a shortcut. This one is not a shortcut. Okay, again, we have this and this one. Okay, let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have now 6 watch faces. Let's have another one. I'll download this. Then download. Okay, set as current dial. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to loading or download mode. Okay. So this is battery. There's no shortcut. Blood oxygen again. And I think there's only 2 functions. The daily activity tracking and the blood oxygen. Let's see if there's a heart rate here. Okay, we have one. And this one also. We'll try it later. Okay, let's count first. We have our previous watch face. None. Okay, seems like you can only download one watch face at a time from the dial center. Okay, how about this one? Let's see. We have a heart rate here, set as a current dial. Set successfully. So this is step counter, daily activity tracking, and heart rate. Yes, it is a shortcut. I like the design here. Okay, again, you can only download one watch face in a smartwatch from the dial center. Okay, so let's check. We have the mine section here. So these are the downloaded watch faces. If you are going to switch, it's now much faster. No need to download. And we have it here. Okay. Okay, what's this? Can we change? Oh, this is for the my cards. Again, dial center, mine. Or I just tap on a wrong menu. Can we set? No. So there's no option. This one, what's this? Okay, if you want to delete. This one, AI creation history. It's for the AI. Okay, so that's it for our watch faces. Sample download from the dial center. Okay, on our next video, we'll have a AI watch face and an image and video watch faces. Okay, we'll have our custom watch face on our next video. Again, if you have any questions regarding the list of watch faces here, or you want to ask some questions about the smartwatch, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.